Hey, everyone. It's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I got some mail. I made this purchase over Black Friday, and I cannot wait to introduce you to this new business. As you can see down below here, Chris's Craft Corner. This is their unboxing. I had to buy it. I was over on my friend's watching her live. She unboxed something and I had to have it. And so I did some research, found out what business it was from, and went and purchased one thing and got this box. I have no idea because what I purchased is not this big. So we're going to dive in. We're going to see what's in here. I want to introduce you because you're going to go crazy over. Oh dear, almost knocked something special over. So we are going to go crazy over this. Okay, here we go. You ready? Let's dive in. Before we dive in, I'm going to show you the Facebook page real quick. That's why I'm looking a little bit off screen. Here is the Facebook page. So Carissa's Craft Corner is right there. Her Facebook page is here, and she has amazing products. Right now, she has these adorable gnomes that you can see. How cute are these? Absolutely adorable. Oh, look, they're gnome pen holders. Oh my gosh. So when I looked, this turtle, you can see right here that I'm circling, is what I really wanted. You know me, I like turtles. The best thing to do is to become a friend of hers or follow her Facebook business page, and then she will post things. And when you see it, you instant message her or private message her. If there's a photo that you see on there, ask her. She can make it for you as well. It is 3D printed. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lanta. So we're gonna dive in here and see what's going on. Okay, and look, she packages it amazing. There's nothing that's gonna break in here. Nothing at all. Okay, so first things first, I can see through the wrapping that this is what I ordered. She has that, what is it called? What is these shape shifting? This is not a shape shifting, color shifting. Look at this. It's a turtle that holds your pens or your tweezers. My friend got one as a gift, and I had to go purchase this one on Black Friday. It has 4 holes to hold your different pens in, or if you have tweezers, whatever you want to put in here. But it starts out as this beautiful purple shade. But if you move it in a certain way, it's all of a sudden this beautiful violet blue. OMG. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Look, see purple? Now blue. Purple? Now blue. You just have fun with it all day. Super excited about that. I don't know what this is. Let's see what is in here. And she'll give you the prices. I believe that was $25. Very reasonable for what she's 3D printing for you. And I'm sure these things take a while. Oh, it's another pen holder. I was just telling her that I really enjoyed this honeycomb down here. What I like about this is it can hold your pens, right? Even the thick ones. But then down here, I'm always losing my little waxes. So it'd be so fun to make sure I have my waxes here. Maybe the color I'm using. Maybe this kind of sticks in here if you're using a tube so it doesn't slide around as much. Maybe your cover minder can go in here when you're not using it. Lots of fun things that can go here. Also, your tweezers fit. It is wide enough. You can put your tweezers there or you can put your tweezers there. Absolutely adore this. Thank you so much, Carissa. Oh, and it's shimmery. Okay. Ooh, this is just the plain pen holder, I believe. And this is beautiful. Look at the diamond cut that's on there. Like, normally you don't see that. How gorgeous is that? Again, a pen holder. Absolutely brilliant. They match. They're gorgeous. I'm going to be using these non-stop. Carissa, you've got such a fun thing going on. Now, this one I did know she was sending. This is what she calls her putty holder. And the reason she calls it that is I think originally, let me open this before I start talking. Look at all this bubble wrap. She does a great job of making sure that your product is going to get to you without breaking. How gorgeous is this purple? So this originally, I'm going to open my drawer here because I have some putty hiding, I thought. Well, I guess I don't, but I do have some baggies. So this originally was to help you. Maybe I have it over here. You guys should see my space right now. It's crazy. No. All right. So originally it was to put all the different putties that you receive, right? We love the vanillas and the fruities. And, oh, I know. I have one right here. This is what I was thinking of. This is from Mary. This is Mary Mud. See, you got the putty. It fits perfectly right in there. And so you can line them all up. You can pull them out. You can see what scent you want. But this also can hold your specialty drills that you get from DP with sparklers or diamond painting drills. You can put them in there. Maybe this is where you put the ones that you're using just for your current piece that you're using. This also, let me see here. Put your tweezers in there if you want. Have lots of tweezers. These small trays. I have one that has drills in it. Let me show you here. You can put your Archer Arts trays in there. It's just wide enough. I know the Bella Art trays. This has stuff in it, but I'm going to turn it sideways. These trays, which I think come in like the Craftably and in the Bella Art, these fit nicely in there. So you could actually put this upright and have it be a tray holder as well. The sky's the limit on what you use this for. Absolutely great, not just for putty. I didn't know she had these. So these are those single. I do not have one of these. So I am very excited. They're the single pen. So I will not lose my pen between the time that I'm done and the time that I want to use it again if I'm doing one. And then she has, oh, this is so cute. This little, what do you call it? Funnel that you can funnel things back in from your trays into the containers. And then this I got for buying the turtle. She was having a Black Friday sale of if you buy the turtle, you got this little package. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I got a little, my first candy cane of the season. Super excited. Okay, and then I got a little fun sticker. How fun is that? And then she makes these 3D cover minders. And she puts the magnet right in the cover minder. So here's only one magnet on the outside, but it fits right there. Look at him. Is he not adorable? He is so, so cute. I'm going to put him on my tray. He's going to sit right there. He's going to guard my little, it looks almost like an iceberg when I do that. And then I also got one of these. How cute is that? And this, I'm sure, see the magnet is right there in the bottom. So you don't have to worry about two magnets and the whole gluing process. And how much time does it take to have all these different colors with one item? So Carissa, hitting it out of the ballpark. I love these things. I cannot wait to use them. I have now a whole purple set. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So go check her out, become a follower in her Facebook group, help her. And we're doing hashtag Switch It Up 2023 right now for November and December. So if you're watching this currently present, use this. Go check out this small business. Support, show your love, and find out yourself how much do you love her product. I'm super excited. I can't wait to take a picture and post it on her Facebook group. So until next time, be blessed. I'm going to go organize because as you can tell in the video, my stuff is everywhere. Now I have a little bit more of an organization. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.